don't forget to subscribe to my mom's channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my travel channel. You will see many places, Tanzania, Ooty, Mudumalai and lots more. So don't forget to check it out.
Don't forget to check my last video on an amazing ingredient for instant brightness and whiteness.
Hello my super babies, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be sharing a really magical remedy. Actually I am sick past few days. Not only I know so many who are sick past weeks and days. This space is that way. I think the climate change and everything, and most of us are sick. So recently, like past 2 days, I've been coughing like terribly, like really bad, okay, like super bad. So I was talking to my bestie Martina, and she told me, you try this remedy because she gives it to her kid. Her kid has also been unwell past few days, so she told me she gives this to her kid every day, so you also have it. I was like, okay, anyways, I trust her remedy, so why not? And I made it and I had it, and it was like, oh my god, it's super baby, it's like really good. My cough stopped instantly. Like, what? Can anything be so magical? Like, wow. Thank you so much Martina for this amazing remedy which really cures the cough instantly. She even said this remedy is very good for those who have fever and even cough. Right now I'm having terrible cough. It works superbly for me, like wow, instantly the cough reduced so much. Like I was like, ooh. So here I am to share this amazing remedy with my babies. I have to share this. This is so good. This is a remedy by my bestie Martina. So yes, thank you Martina so much again. I had made a batch already earlier, that is this one. Voila. Yeah, I cannot tilt it too much. It's so yummy. It's really nice, but it is super heaty because it's got all hot ingredients in it. So just don't, gulp it like wow, it's so tasty. It is quite hot. So this is my batch which I am using and which I made for you babies. It's a new batch just for my babies, and yes, I'll do a live eating demo. It's yum, but yes, do not hog it up.
These magical ingredients are very easily available in your kitchen, so you don't have to worry about anything, no hassles at all. So let's begin. You just have to mix all the ingredients together super well and have a teaspoon thrice a day. That's all.
I hope you like this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit a like and make my day. Don't forget to share this with your loved ones because you never know who you must be helping, and sharing is caring. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more useful videos, and if you did, thank you so much. All my social media links will be in the description box. I am there on Instagram, Roposo, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat. Yes, I am. Past few days I'm not so regular because I've been unwell, but I will be full on baby very soon. So yes, don't forget to check out all my social media links in the description box, and see ya later in another video very soon. Bye bye.